Vehicle registration doesn't have to be complicated. Here's how Sianty simplifies it. In this video, we will register a vehicle in under 2 minutes while capturing all essential data required for a workshop. So without further ado, let's start with step 1. Press register vehicle and enter the customer details, including the name, phone number, and choose the type of the customer. Here we have two options, individual and company. If the customer is a part of a fleet, select the customer type as a company. You will then be required to enter additional details, such as the company name, email, VAT number, and price list. You can also add any additional information if needed. By clicking Next, you have to fill the plate number, and the local plate number option covers all vehicle plate issued across the Emirates, while generic option is used for all other number plate formats. You can add additional vehicle details based on your workshop requirements and set specific field as mandatory. Then you have to select the vehicle type. By clicking on Make, you can choose the make and the model, and all vehicle makes and model are already integrated into the system. At this point, you can save the information you have entered and proceed directly to job card creation. If you would like to add more data, click on Save and Next. For this video, we will continue by adding more details. Here you can add vehicle specifications like color, mileage, and you can add vehicle-specific notes for additional references. By clicking on Save and Next, in the final step you can assign the insurance details and set the vehicle insurance status. The vehicle is now registered and you can view the complete vehicle details on this page. If you need to make any changes, simply use the Edit button. Once the vehicle is registered, you can move on to creating a job card, which will be covered in another video. Thank you for watching, and we hope this gave you a glimpse of how Sianty may be the perfect match for you. Until next time, ciao.